Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and insights. Interactive Brokers has stepped into the crypto arena, and today we're diving deep into their crypto investment platform. This review explores their integrated approach, merging traditional trading with digital assets. Interactive Brokers, renowned for its comprehensive financial tools and global market access, now offers a cryptocurrency trading experience. We'll unpack its features and benefits, assessing its suitability for different investors. A significant advantage of Interactive Brokers' crypto offering is its seamless integration with existing accounts. If you're already trading stocks, options, or forex on their platform, managing your crypto investments alongside these assets is incredibly streamlined. Currently, they support trading in major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, presenting them in a format familiar to traditional investors. One of the platform's most compelling features is its low trading fees, significantly undercutting many competing crypto platforms. This cost-effectiveness is a major plus for active traders and those anticipating frequent transactions. Furthermore, Interactive Brokers leverages its extensive security expertise to provide institutional-grade protection for your crypto holdings, ensuring peace of mind. The platform's design caters to investors already comfortable navigating the complexities of trading. Interactive Brokers isn't tailored for complete beginners, it assumes a certain level of familiarity with financial markets. However, seasoned traders will appreciate the platform's advanced tools, including real-time market data and detailed charting capabilities, empowering them to meticulously track and optimize their crypto investments. While Interactive Brokers excels in several areas, it does have some limitations. The platform's current cryptocurrency selection is focused on established players like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Investors seeking exposure to altcoins might need to explore alternative platforms. Another potential drawback is the absence of a dedicated mobile app for crypto trading, which could be a significant inconvenience for those who prefer trading on the go. In summary, Interactive Brokers presents a robust, secure, and cost-effective crypto investment platform ideal for experienced investors seeking to diversify their portfolios with digital assets. It's particularly well-suited for those already utilizing the platform for traditional investments, providing a centralized hub for managing all their holdings. Check the description below for links to explore Interactive Brokers' crypto platform and get started today.